Hi everybody, it's Cindy A. Lewis here, and we are counting down to Christmas. And I have the Crafter's Companion Advent calendar. And so today is December 1st, and we are going to open the first door to see what we got on our day one of our countdown to Christmas. So let's do it. Okay, so let's open door number one and see what is in door number one. See how hard it is to open door number one. Supposed to put my finger in there. Okay, here we go. Oh, and it's hidden. So let's just open it right up. And we have a little flower die. Look at that. How cool is that? Not sure how easy it is supposed to be to get it out of here though, but I'll show it to you. Cutest little die. So I thought we would cut something out with it with my mini Gemini Go. So I'm going to turn that on. Okay, so you build your sandwich. And for a thin metal cutting die, you need your clear plate on both sides. You need your plastic shim. Let's see if I can scoot up a little bit. You need your metal, your magnetic, sorry. And then you need your paper that you're going to cut or material, and then your other shim. So let's get it out. And let's see what we got here. Oh my goodness, how adorable these are. Look how tiny too. And it cut perfectly. Look at that. So anyway, thank you, Crafter's Companion. I'm so excited for December 1st, and I hope I didn't spoil anyone else's advent calendar. So I'm looking forward to December 2nd. I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time.